Picture this. You're cruising toward the toll plaza, the traffic is actually moving for once, you're making great time, and then, well, sheer panic sets in. Ever been caught completely off guard by an empty E-ZPass account just as you're about to hit the freeway? It is a literally stomach-dropping, incredibly frustrating feeling to be stuck without funds when you just want to get to your destination. But hey, don't worry, because you are in exactly the right place. Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're providing a comprehensive, step-by-step guide to effortlessly topping up your E-ZPass account online. We're going to make absolutely sure that your toll account is perfectly funded so you are never stuck in traffic without it. Okay, let's just dive right into our roadmap. We've got 1. E-ZPass basics and setup. 2. Navigating and payment methods. 3. Adding funds step by step. 4. The auto-replenishment advantage. 5. Avoiding scams and troubleshooting. And 6. Pro tips for smooth travel. Starting with number 1. E-ZPass basics and setup. Let's get the absolute fundamentals out of the way first. So E-ZPass is an electronic toll collection system that uses a little radio frequency transponder you stick right on your windshield. The whole point of this system is to take cash, coins, and those annoying physical tickets entirely out of your commute. As you drive under the sensors, the toll is automatically calculated and deducted from a prepaid account. It's meant to be totally seamless. But, that seamlessness relies entirely on actually having money in that prepaid account. If you're starting from scratch, getting set up is incredibly accessible. You can apply directly online at your state's official site or use official mobile apps like Tolls NY or the PA TollPay app. You can even set it up over the phone. But what's really kind of cool is that you can literally just walk into a local participating retailer and buy an on-the-go transponder for about $25. You just register it online within 7 days and you are immediately ready to hit the road. Number 2, navigating the E-ZPass website and payment methods. Let's see how we actually manage this digital wallet. Right, so when you sit down at your computer to log into the E-ZPass portal, you're going to want to have your info ready. You'll need your specific account number, or your tag number works too, plus your password. And yeah, you'll usually have to pass one of those quick visual security checks, typing in a distorted code from an image just to prove you aren't a robot. If you haven't set up online access yet, no big deal. There's a register your account online link right next to the login box. Once you're in, you need to link a payment method. The system is super flexible. You can use major credit cards, American Express, Visa, MasterCard, Discover, or just a standard debit card. You can also set up an electronic funds transfer directly from your bank's checking or savings account. Now, while you can use cash or check by mailing it in or visiting a walk-in center, honestly, linking a digital payment method online is undoubtedly the fastest route to seamless travel. Moving on to number 3. Adding funds step by step. It's actually amazingly simple once your payment method is saved. If you're the type who likes to manage funds manually, here is your playbook. Step 1. Log into your portal. Step 2. Navigate to the payment section and click on Manual Replenishment. Step 3. Choose the payment method you've already linked and type in the amount you want to add. And Step 4. Confirm the transaction. It's literally just 4 clicks. You can do this via an automated phone system too, but the online portal gives you that nice, immediate visual confirmation of your new balance. But hey, let's say the worst happened. You drove through a toll with an empty account. Don't panic. You're just going to receive a toll bill or a violation notice in the mail. Right on the front page of the E-ZPass login screen, there is a dedicated violations or toll by plate section. You just punch in the notice number from your letter, your license plate number, and you can pay it off instantly. Fixing a violation is just as easy as a manual replenishment. Now for number 4, the auto-replenishment advantage. Because the truth is, you don't actually have to do this manually every single time. There is a massive night and day difference between manual and automated management. With manual replenishment, the burden is 100% on you. You've got to constantly monitor your balance, and if you forget, you risk toll violations and those super annoying late fees. But auto-replenishment? That is a set-it-and-forget-it dream. It monitors your balance for you, charges your card only when you get low, and as a huge bonus, it usually auto-enrolls you in E-ZPass Plus, which lets you use your transponder to pay for things like airport parking. So here is the basic math behind the scenes for a standard private account. The system has a built-in threshold. Typically, when your balance drops down to $10 per transponder, boom, the system is triggered. It automatically reaches out to your linked credit card or bank account and pulls in $35. It happens instantly, meaning your balance never actually hits zero mid-trip. Now, I really want to address a very common point of confusion. We pulled this quote directly from a discussion where a user noted, E-ZPass does raise the auto replenishment amount if you use it a lot, just so the balance doesn't go negative. That is absolutely true. It's a feature, not a bug. The toll authority algorithmically reviews your monthly usage. If you start commuting every single day and blowing through tolls, hitting that $10 limit multiple times a week, well, the system's going to automatically raise your $35 replenishment amount to something higher. Why? Just to save the toll authority and your bank from having to process a dozen tiny transactions every month. Number 5, avoiding scams and troubleshooting. Because the system is so automated, scammers know exactly how much we rely on our toll accounts, which brings us to a very timely warning. Take a look at this real-world anecdote from a driver who recently got a highly suspicious email. The message claimed that because they were replenishing automatically too many times, their minimum balance was being arbitrarily raised to $85. The driver cleverly noticed the message was way too long, sounded like it was written by an AI, and included the classic scammer buzzword, kindly. This is known as smishing when it comes via text or phishing via email. Let's break down exactly what this driver caught. Here are the specific red flags you should be looking for in your inbox right now. Scammers will claim you've hit an arbitrary limit on auto-replenishment, which, by the way, doesn't exist. They'll demand a sudden, highly specific minimum balance, like $85. The language will feel a bit off, maybe overly formal or slightly robotic, but the absolute biggest red flag? They will provide a super convenient, clickable link that takes you to a fake payment screen designed to steal your credit card data. So what is the takeaway here? Always verify. If you get a text or email demanding an urgent toll payment, do not click that link. Seriously, never click the link in the message. Close the text, open your web browser, type in your state's official E-ZPass website yourself, and log in to check your actual status. Or just pick up the phone and call the real customer service number directly, like 1-888-AUTO-TOLL in New Jersey. And finally, number 6, pro tips for smooth travel. Let's wrap up this explainer with some actionable best practices. Just a little routine account maintenance prevents massive headaches down the road. First, if you get a new car, a temporary plate, or even a rental car, log in and add that license plate to your account immediately to avoid violations. Second, auto-replenish only works if your credit card is actually valid, so always update your expiration dates when you get a new card in the mail. Third, download the official mobile apps. They literally make checking your balance a matter of seconds. And finally, enjoy the perks. If you link a credit card, definitely take advantage of E-ZPass Plus for incredibly fast airport parking exits. Now, a quick professional disclaimer. While the core process we've outlined today is practically identical everywhere, local, regional rules always apply. Whether you're dealing with the Thruway Authority in New York, Driveys MD in Maryland, or the PA Turnpike, things like monthly maintenance fees, usually around $1 or so, or exact auto-replenish thresholds can vary slightly by state. Always refer to your specific state's portal for the exact numbers. And that brings us to the end of our journey today. The tools are all right there at your fingertips, designed to make your travel as frictionless as possible. So I'll leave you with this. Are you ready to finally take control of your E-ZPass online? Set up that auto-replenishment and hit the freeway entirely stress-free? Log in today, secure your account, and enjoy the open road. Thanks for joining me on this explainer. Keep learning, keep exploring, and safe travels out there.